How to turn on IGTV view counts notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on IGTV view counts notifications on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram and now just click here on your profile and then just click the storylines in top corner, and here you will find settings and then click this one, notifications, and then live and IGTV. And as you see here you will find it IGTV view counts settings, and if you want to turn it on, all you need to do is just select second one here, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.